Spoken to builder.
Yeah.
Has to be glued. Spoken to Scotty. Can't be revealed until it's fixed. All this section here has to be ripped up, glued. We didn't glue this section because this was supposed to be
You tell me then.
Where
then
the
you got to tell us that. We don't know that.
We told everyone that.
No, you didn't.
We told everyone.
No, because everything else was glued.
No.
When we put our constructor floor
We told everyone because this is where the en-suites were going to be.
Have you guys glued your floors down?
Yeah.
Like your underfloor?
We have.
Like, no one told us.
We did, mate.
No one told us.
We told everyone.
Not one person told us.
How come everyone else has done it? He's missed the process, and now he's just pointing the finger at everyone else.
We are up against it.
Hey, just 10-minute warning, guys, for tools.
It's good to see you having a crack and not giving up.
Just one, two, three, drop. 1, 2, 3, drop. I got it up, I got it down, all glued, ready to go.
5 o'clock, guys. That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Massive hurdle, but we did it.
The winner of week 8 is... It's Sarah George! It's a beautiful day!
That's what that feels like.
That's what that feels like.
I was holding back the tears. You have no idea what it means. And
That was awesome.
It's just feeling
That
like
feeling.
you belong.
A little party
They are going to be painting with you at the block for the rest of the week. The All-Stars.
They love all the curves here. Feels pretty good to be here. I just said to Andy, it smells the same.
Honey, we're home. And we got a catwalk.
We've got a catwalk, yes, we do.
Celine Dion.
Yeah.
I love that. Celine Dion, stop it.
I love it.
I absolutely love George and Sarah's house.
Oh, guys, it's so good to be back. I was really nervous. I had really mixed emotions about coming back because you do start remembering the really tough times. Beautiful style. I love your style. These guys are doing such an amazing job.
Right, that's the hallway, Elise.
Yeah.
Where's the rest of it? No.
So you're just joking, stirring him up.
Look, it is a lot smaller. I think that's obvious. The room sizes are a lot smaller. This is beautiful, guys.
It's a big,
Yeah.
big bathroom.
Not big, but beautiful.
Harry and Tash's upstairs bathroom, which firstly had wonky walls, then no angles, and then no walls, also has to be completed this week. And that's where Mitch and Mark have really stepped up. So yesterday they got onto High Pages and found that Jason, their builder from last year, was available to take the job.
And last night in that bathroom, like I have never seen anything like this happen before. Rip out started at, say, 3 o'clock. It was being waterproofed at 9. Even, Keith was amazing. He came back out from home, the poor guy, to come and inspect to make sure everything could be done.
Well done.
We seem to be in a position now where I think they can get it done.
You're walking past this room and seeing it in pieces has always been a bit of an eyesore for us. So to actually have it now retiled and finished today, we're ecstatic. And we'll actually deliver this room this weekend. This morning, I saw a truck roll up with 4 new front door and door jambs. And I said, OK, so where's mine? That's a bit unfair. They get a new door, I have to bloody renovate mine.
Have a look at this.
How unfair is that?
You had to order it.
What do you mean order it? I told we had to use it, what was there.
No, you had to order it like day 1.
Well, we have to...
Hey, mate. Now, the reason why we kept your existing door, because it was in such good condition, it was beautiful. To see all this beautiful detail, this is a much better unit. That's the reason why we left it.
Harry's door was sent off to be prepped before painting, and now it's back.
Harry!
So will Harry be satisfied?
Mate, I have a present for you.
What is it?
What do you think it is?
Oh, it's familiar. I think the door needs to be replaced. even after seeing it, with it being stripped back. It hasn't been in any way puttied, fixed, sanded. It's just been dipped, given an undercoat, and they've delivered it.
It's naked right now. It needs to have a little black dress slipped over it, so maybe when we put some makeup on her and dressed her up, she might look a bit nicer.